Hey everyone, welcome to week 5 of our online learning. Same office hours and email. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to send me an email. What we're going to be working on this week is doing a little bit of research. So first thing I'm going to have you do this week is this Google search tips. So you're going to read this article, 20 tips about Google searching, and you'll complete this assignment. Just 8 simple questions. And hopefully that will help you do research for our slides this week. So you're going to be doing a presentation on any U.S. state capital. So you may have to, let's say you like Colorado, you may have to Google search what's the capital of Colorado. And then that will be the city that you do your research and presentation on. So it's going to be real small, just 4 slides, nothing too crazy. Just want to make sure that you know how to do these things. Can you select a theme? Layouts. Animations, just as a reminder, animations are when the words or maybe pictures come in a different way to the slide. So maybe they spiral in or maybe they come from left to right. Transitions are when the slide, you go from one slide to the next with something fancy. So animations and transitions, that's those two. And you'll include 2 pictures and a video. So really simple. Just want to make sure that you know how to do these things, not trying to wear you down here as the weather gets nice. So that is our plan for this week. It was fun to read the people who did the About Me slides. Cool to get to know you a little bit better, and you guys all did a great job. I know that you guys have been using Google Slides probably since elementary school, so really nothing too crazy as we finish out here and get towards summer. So this week and then 2 weeks after this, and then you are on summer break. So I really appreciate everyone who is doing this optional work. It's been really fun to see your assignments and learn a little bit more about you. And everybody, hopefully you have a great week. And again, if you're bored, there's some things for you to do if you check your PowerSchool. So let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week.